The Air Jordan 1 continues to evolve, and the Air Jordan 1 Brooklyn shows how far the iconic silhouette has come. Once seen as an untouchable design, Michael Jordan's first signature now welcomes bold updates that blend heritage with modern style. Jordan Brand has proven that smart retooling can work, and this model is another clear example of creative direction meeting everyday wearability. The Air Jordan 1 Brooklyn is designed for those who appreciate classic Jordan history but want something more fashion-forward. This version features clean off-white uppers paired with a pale gray and Enigma Stone platform sole. The elevated boot-inspired build adds height, while the thick outsole delivers extra traction for added confidence in different conditions. Designed in women's sizing, this release balances style and function with a strong street-ready presence. The Air Jordan 1 Brooklyn Pale Gray Enigma Stone is expected to release this spring with a retail price of $165.